I hope you understand what we are going to talk about in today's video. Today we present the third part of the widely used MACD strategy. Earlier we gave more videos on MACD strategy where we covered all the details of it and how to set up it as well as how to make a profit by following it, everything we share. Those who haven't seen it must watch this video because to understand today's video you need to watch the previous video and know about it. Otherwise you don't understand today's video well. So in the first video your numerous like and comment have given us confidence to do something good. So in that series we took today's video. So I hope you will stay with us. So hello viewers, I'm an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. So in today's video we will discuss some topic. First, how to set up this new indicator. Secondly, how to follow it. Third one is how to set up SL and TP. We will discuss all these issues. So another indicator that we will introduce today is called zero leg MACD. We have already shown you how to follow and analyze with MACD indicator. And today we will talk about the new version of MACD indicator, that is zero leg MACD. The MACD indicator is a very old indicator and it was made in 1970s. Since then, more new indicators have been invented, such as the update version of MACD indicator is zero leg MACD and there have another indicator is impulse MACD. So I will introduce you to everything so that you can make profit from Forex. So first I will show you how to set up. At the beginning we show you how to set up it in TradingView. However, for those who are mobile trader, a bad news for them, this indicator can't be used on mobile. This means that this indicator is not available on MT4 or MT5. So you have to use it in desktop or laptop and you have to use it in the TradingView chart because it's available here. So go to the TradingView chart first to set up this indicator. If you type tradingview.com, it will come up. Then there is an option called indicator at the top. You have to click there. After clicking, a new page will appear. As soon as you type zero leg MACD, many indicator will come in front of you. But from this you have to select zero leg MACD version 1.2. You can see where I am clicking. Once you click here, it will be set up on your chart. Then when it is set up, you have to make a little bit setting. However, you can see that my indicator has been set up on my screen. It's slightly different from the previous MACD indicator as there are three lines here, then there are some small circle on the side. So we will analyze here in a slightly different way. We will share with you how to do it now. Surely you remember the previous video. There was a histogram on that indicator, then there was the MACD line and the signal line. This had to be followed for analysis. In this indicator, there have also MACD line and signal line, but we will analyze differently. Before that, you have to do a small setting. To do that, you go to the setting option of this indicator. You can see the setting icon next to it. If you click here, the setting option will come. Then from here, you will disable EMA on MACD line. If you remove the tick mark, it will gone. You saw earlier that there have three lines, but these three lines are not needed for analysis. So we have to remove one and you will do the same. Since the color of the line match with the background, we will change the color of the line a little and you can do this. So we edit it and now it's time to do the analysis. Basically, we will analyze with this circle that you see next to the line. Everything else is the same as before. Mainly when you see there is a green circle below the line, then you will order a buy. Then when you see there is a red circle above the line, then you will order a sell. I say again, when the green circle is formed below this line, you will take a buy order, and when the red circle is above the line, you will take a sell order. However, if the circle touches the line, it's better to refrain from entry. That is, when the circle is touching the line, as you can see on the screen, you should refrain from entry. Another thing to keep in mind is that many times the green circle may be above the line and many times red circle may be below the line. You should take buy order only when the green circle is drawn at the bottom, and you should take sell order only when the red circle is drawn at the top. We said in the previous MACD indicator that when the MACD line crosses the signal line, then you will take order. That is, if it crosses bottom to top, you will take buy order, and if it cross top to bottom you will take sell order. Now many may be surprised and many may have questioned why I am giving almost the same strategy twice. Although the question is logical, but the answer is that this indicator has some special aspect, and that's why we are sharing it with you so that you can get a better indicator. So before sharing specialty, I will say that those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's discuss more. So the special aspect is that you will get fast entry from this 0 leg MACD, but in MACD indicator you will get signal little bit late. As you can see on the screen in this chart, a sample of the difference between MACD and 0 leg MACD. The upper one is 0 leg MACD and the lower one is the old MACD, and this is the big advantage in this indicator. Definitely you want to get signal first. So 0 leg MACD is provide fast signal. That's why you can use it. Surely you don't want to miss any pips. In that case, this indicator is very good. Not all indicator work well all the time. So in that case, you can use another indicator to get strong signal. So you can use moving average. It will help you. How to use moving average to get strong signal with this 0 leg MACD? If you want to see this, don't miss this video. If you watch this video, you will know how to use moving average with any indicator to get strong signal. So don't miss it. So viewers, this is our video. Hopefully you can understand what is the benefit of this indicator, and of course you will set up your SLNTP by following 1:3 profit ratio. That will allow you to recover your own loss. So don't forget to use big profit ratio. And the last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use FOREX BD's link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification. Your balance will be secure at all time. You will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under FOREX BD's link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.